So in this video, we're asked to find the marginal cost of production for the following function. This, of course, is sourced from Professor Leonard's YouTube videos, Calculus 1, Section 2.4. So the dictionary gives us a real basic understanding of what marginal cost is. It's essentially the cost added by producing one more unit of a product or service. So if I'm producing TVs, I want to know my marginal cost if I produce 2 TVs, and then 4 or 8 or 1,000 or 1,000,000. So what we're going to do is use derivatives in order to find a calculation that'll allow us to plug in any unit of production we want. So in this case, we're just going to find the first derivative, and the first derivative of this is going to be c of x, which is c prime of x, which is going to be equal to the derivative d with respect to x of negative 0.2 x squared plus 200x plus 9,000. If you're wondering, 9,000 would be probably the base cost or the base overhead that they're going to incur each month. So from this, we're just going to work through this using our derivative rules. We're going to take that second power multiplied by that lead coefficient. So that's going to give us a negative 0.4, and that's going to be x plus 200, and we are done. Now from here, like I said, we can begin finding out what our marginal cost would be as we increase our unit production. So for instance, if I were to take c prime of 100 units, so I want to know at 100 units what my marginal cost would be, I would simply throw that into my function that I've created, and it would be negative 0.4 multiplied by 100 plus 200, and that's going to give me $160 is my marginal cost for 100 units. And if I did that again, let's say for 150 units, then I will find out that my cost has reduced. As you can see, there is a negative slope, which means that we have a declining value, which means the more we produce, the less each unit will cost. So when I plug in 150, I'm going to get a result of $140. Of course, business, it doesn't always work so perfectly. Of course, you have to consider other things, such as the amount that you're producing versus the demand on that product, or how many are actually being sold versus how many you're producing. So there is that balance. But hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching.